Hello students, this is Ms. Headley. Today we will be working on page 130 of our Reveal Math workbook. We are going to do the apply problem together. Now, this apply problem is very difficult, but it's also very fun to develop our math thinking. Our problem today says some 6th grade students will make 50 bags of honey granola to sell at a fundraising event using the recipe shown. They will put 2 cups of granola in each bag and will sell each bag for $5. Today, we are going to answer question number 2. Question number 2 says 1 pound of almonds costs $9.99 and contains 3 cups of almonds. How much will the students need to budget for almonds? So let's look at our recipe. Our recipe for the honey granola that the students are going to make and sell calls for 4 cups of rolled oats, a cup of chopped almonds, 2/3 a cup of honey, and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Since we're going to be figuring out the budget for how much students need for almonds, we're going to remove some of this unnecessary information. So right now, the 4 cups of rolled oats, the 2/3 cup of honey, and the 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon doesn't really matter. I will also go ahead and tell you the fact that it says chopped almonds is also unnecessary. Don't let those extra words trick you. Anytime we do one of these apply problems, it may add more information than necessary. And when you take tests like the Atlas or your NWEA, your word problems will also add unnecessary information. It's very important to increase your reading comprehension so that you know exactly what the question is asking you and so that you know exactly what to look for. Now, our recipe makes a total of 6 cups, and the students are going to put 2 cups of mixture into a bag. So we're going to be dividing the 6 cups by 2 cups per bag. So 6 divided by 2 is going to equal 3 bags. That's why I have my 3 Ziploc bags here. Let's figure out what this means for our almonds. If 1 cup of almonds goes into this recipe and it's being split into 3 bags, then we have to split a whole cup by thirds. This means that in each bag there is 1/3 a cup of almonds. Because the students want to make 50 bags to sell, we're going to multiply 1/3 times 50. Remember that this dot means multiply. Because we are on a 6th grade curriculum, we are no longer using the X for multiply. Now, you can either write this as 1/3 times 50, or you can write it as 1/3 times 50 over 1. It is the exact same thing. All you do here is you're going to multiply your numerator, which is your top number, by this factor, and then you will get your answer. So right now, our answer, 1 times 50 is 50, so we will have 50 over 3. That is an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. I want to divide this to get a proper fraction. The way to simplify an improper fraction is just to do numerator divided by denominator. So here we will be doing 50 divided by 3. Now I know that 3 can't go into 5. excuse me, yes it can, it can go into 5 one time. So we are going to be subtracting 3. That will give us 2. Then I will be bringing down my 0. 3 can go into 20 6 times, making it 18. I'm so sorry, I'm out of room down here. And then we will be left with 2. Now I know in the past you're used to putting remainder 2. However, we're not going to be doing that anymore. Again, we're on a 6th grade curriculum. So here's how you will write your remainders now that you are in 6th grade. Your remainder will become the numerator. Your divisor will become the denominator. So you will have 16 2/3 is how many cups of almonds that you are needing for this recipe. 16 2/3 is how many cups we need. However, the person that we buy our almonds from doesn't sell them in 2/3 of a cup. You'll notice that it says on question 2, 1 pound of almonds costs $9.99 and contains 3 cups. Now that is 3 whole cups. So here's what we're going to do. To make this simple, we are going to round up and say that we need 17 cups of almonds. Now, the 1 pound of almonds contains 3 cups. So we're going to take the 17 cups that we need and we're going to divide it by 3. 3 can't go into 1, so I will put a 0 there. However, it can go into 17 5 times, which is going to be 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. And then remember how we write our remainder. So we need to buy 5 2/3 of a pound. Again, we can't buy 2/3 of a pound from the person that sells the almonds. So we must round up. 5 2/3 rounded up will be 6. Now we're to the fun part. We know that we're going to have to buy 6 pounds of almonds. Each pound of almonds is $9.99. Remember to use the dot for multiplication. I know perhaps you're used to using the larger amount on the top with this single number on the bottom. Either way you do it, it doesn't matter. Multiplication is commutative. So whether you do 6 times $9.99 or $9.99 times 6, you will get the exact same answer. Now, we're ready to multiply. 6 times 9 is 54. I will put my 4 here and bring my 5 up. 6 times 9 is 54. 4 plus 5 is 9. And I will bring my 5 over here. I must bring down my decimal. Very important to bring it down exactly where it is placed. Now, 6 times 9 is 54. 4 plus 5 is 9. And because there's nothing to do here, I will bring my 5 straight down. So, how much do these 6th grade students need to budget in order to purchase the correct amount of almonds? They will need to budget $59.94.